Welcome back. It's time for sports.
Head coach at Mount Pleasant Football Academy, Theodore Whitmore, is not expecting an easy game from hosts Mocha FC as they meet tonight in round 2 of the CONCACAF Caribbean Cup at the Estadio Polideportivo Mocha in the Dominican Republic. This will be the opening game of the campaign for Mocha, while Mount Pleasant are coming off a 1-0 victory over SV Robin Hood last week at home. Victory would see the team from St. Anne go to the top of the table.
Well, and we expect a tough challenge. They are playing at home. You know, they will have the 12-man behind them, but it's football. It's 11v11 on the pitch, and at the end of the day, it's on the pitch that counts. You know, so once we can go out there and execute, then shouldn't be a problem.
This will be the second game for Mount Pleasant in the last 4 days, having also played Montego Bay United in their opening game of the Jamaica Premier League on Sunday. However, the returning Demario Phillips says the players are prepared to meet the demands of playing in 2 competitions.
We had a very good preseason, so I don't think the legs will really take a toll on us. It's what our mind, and our mind is on the game. So if we have a game, next 2 days or next 3 days, we are always prepared and ready for it.
Tonight's game kicks off at 7. Meanwhile, Central FC of Trinidad and Tobago and SV Robin Hood of Suriname battled to a 2-2 draw in their game in Group A last evening. The result means both teams are still without a win after 2 games, with Robin Hood in 3rd and Central in 4th. Mount Pleasant remains 2nd on 3 points, the same as Universidad O&M, who leads on goal difference. Over in Group B, Rivaldo Carrera scored twice as Cibao defeated Weymouth Wales 2-1 to move to 6 points. Defending champions Cavalier, who are at the foot of the table following their 2-0 defeat to Cibao last week, will play Juventus of Haiti on Thursday at Sabina Park. TVJ Sports understands that the directorship of the Professional Football Jamaica Limited, PFJL, may not accept the resignation of Chief Executive Officer Owen Hill. Hill tendered his resignation on Monday night, which will take effect on September 26. It's understood that the PFJL is set to meet today. In his resignation letter to the chairman and the board of PFJL, Hill noted that his decision to resign came after months of professional reflection. In the meantime, retired Deputy Governor of Bank of Jamaica, Livingstone Morrison, is heading to the PFJL. Morrison is said to be the new chairman of the PFJL effective September 1, replacing Chris Williams, who tendered his resignation in June. The confirmation of Morrison comes 5 days before Williams officially leaves office, having led the organization for 5 years. Finally, Akeem Ogee scored his maiden Caribbean Premier League half-century as defending champion St. Lucia Kings defeated Ghana Amazon Warriors by 4 wickets in a high-scoring game on Tuesday night at the Darren Sammy Stadium. The former West Indies under-19 captain struck 6 fours and 4 sixes in a top score of 73 to help lead the Kings to victory at 203 for 6. Tim Seifert also chipped in with 37, while Tim David made 25.
And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.